Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 8 says, write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form that has a slope of negative 2/3 and passes through the point 6, negative 1. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m represents the slope, which is given in the problem, and b represents the y-intercept. The y-intercept is not given in the problem. Instead, we're given a point. And so we're actually going to have to start with the point slope form, y minus y sub 1 equals slope times x minus x sub 1, and use the slope and the point given in order to transform to slope-intercept form. And so I'm going to substitute. Y minus the y coordinate is negative 1, so I have a negative sign from the formula and a negative 1 as the y coordinate, dash dash means plus, equals the slope is given as negative 2/3 times x minus, and then the x coordinate of the point is 6. So now I'm going to use the distributive property on the right side. Y plus 1 equals negative 2/3 times x is negative 2/3 x, and negative 2/3 times negative 6 is positive 6 times 2 is 12 over 3. So y plus 1 will equal negative 2/3 x. We know that 12 divided by 3 is 4. And to finish this off, I'm going to subtract 1 on both sides. And so 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 plus y is y equals negative 2/3 x. And 4 minus 1 is 3. And so my answer would be y equals negative 2/3 x plus 3.